Well, basically the way we see it is historically people have been focusing, our customers have been focusing on monitoring network performance. And yet, when they go and as an example, survey their customers on the experience that the customers have, you see this gap in terms of the network KPIs look good, but the customers basically have a very poor perception of the performance. So what we're saying is you need to go and change the way you think about the KPIs to be followed, as well as what you do with those KPIs. And we're saying we need to take a much more real-time view to what is happening in the network, as well as combine that with information about who the subscriber is, what services they're using. That will help you generate insight really about what is happening with the customer. And fundamentally, when you do that, it will make it possible to go even one step further, which is to enable action on the basis of the information that you've generated, including, for example, automating certain parts of your processes, automating parts of your customer care, while improving the overall experience for the customer. Well, basically we have our heritage and our roots are in really truly understanding what's happening in the network. We have a further strength in understanding what's happening in the end user devices, and we've got a very vast installed base in terms of touch points, what I call touch points in the network, understanding what services are being used by each one of the subscribers. Now you combine that with our ability to consolidate customer related data and the touch points we have in the OSS and BSS domains, we're in a unique position in real time to provide that insight and actually also then go the next step and then take action on that basis. Well, one of the things that's been talked about quite a bit is the customer care automation we've done for one of our European clients, where effectively we're helping them track and understand what's happening on an individual subscriber basis, so that when a customer calls the call center actually is already getting information about potential things that could be going wrong. And the customer call agent is instructed to ask specific additional questions through an automated system, which will help guide the process to identify the source of the problem quicker and move to a more automated way of solving the problem. So what we found is through this mechanism of generating better insight and automating steps of the process, we're significantly cutting the cost associated with customer care, and we're improving the experience that the customers are actually having when they call the call center.